So, good afternoon, all. Myself Aniket Chaudhary with my teammates Naman Purkar, Sanskruti, and Shubham. So, we have made a web page like you can see, named Vasudev Kutumbakam Tourism. Actually, Vasudev Kutumbakam is a Sanskrit slogan which means the world is a family. So, for a tourist site, every tourist is there like a god. So, we have made this to guide them throughout India. So here is the page. You can see there is some quotes written here, and there is a really good transition between the places and all. So when we have home button, explore button, map button, and contact button. So this is home page, like you can see, and here we go to our explore page, which is the main content. As we have mentioned some of the city in this, like we have mentioned Indore, Nainital, Daman Diu, Itanagar, and Assam. So as you can see, we can include more, but till we have included these five, and we have included the popular tourist attraction, so that it's not a big deal for the tourists to find a really good place where all the people want to go. So like we have Agra and Jaipur and all. Recently in Ahmedabad, we have the Statue of Unity. So yeah, so you can see as we go into Agra, we can have the information written here, and the 360 view which I have included in the code. So it's redirect to the 360 walk around YouTube video, in which we have the flexibility, like you can see, we have the flexibility to actually move in this. Like if we are standing in the position or pause the video in any position, we can actually see what is surround us from one perspective point of view. So like you can see the full cloud and all, like yeah, so this is it. Yes, so in the similar way we have all the links here. As you can see, all have 360 view. We can include more. So yeah, and here you can see we have actually now gone to map section. So we have this beautiful map here, which indicates some dots, as you can see there. So we have mentioned one tourist spot in every state, like the Jammu and Kashmir have Srinagar, and yeah, of course, Golden Temple of Amritsar in Punjab. In Madhya Pradesh we have Khajuraho, and also different things like in Maharashtra we have Gateway of India. So if we go to the Madhya Pradesh, we can see here that it's UNESCO some information, little bit information to attract the tourists to that places, and then one YouTube video about that place, which gives all the brief history and all, and then some more little bit of information so that tourists can learn about the temperature, like we have written here, and about the different type of things like near located city, and also that they can plan their trip. And in the similar way, but this time we have included the function of Google Maps, as you can see, 3D Google Maps, in which they can move throughout the places. Like in COVID, we have seen that most of the people actually not gone to many places, but they want to, so that's why we have included this feature in that. So yes, you can see we can have the all perspective here, and also we can move throughout the direction. Yeah, so yes, and now we can see the discover India. We have added this section because we really want to implicate the importance of our country, different things like reconnect, God, grace, nature, bounty into the wild. We have planned to include many things in this. Like in reconnect, we can have the ashrams and all, like Sadhguru, and which they are in the India. And in the same way, like God, grace, we can add the location and all the details about all the like Prayagraj and all, where we can see the beauty of our Indian mythology and all. In nature bounty, we can include all the places and their links and their way to go, where we have a really good nature call like Uttarakhand and all. into the void like Gir forest and all. Like similar way, we have tracking Leh Ladakh from the past, some historical, like in the picture you can see the, I think it's a cave. So yeah, so yes, you can see there is some codes also there like Indian food. So we can include the place and their biggest their food which are popular in that. So yeah, in the similar way, voice and culture, different language of different places. So it's not really hard for tourists and all to be prepared about the places. So yes, we can also put some more information like about us, contact. Yeah, so we can do that also. And we have included our login page. Yeah. So in this, you can log in your information. Like I have logged in something, then mobile number. Yes, email something and suggestion if you want about any page or any trip and the location you want to add in that, and then you can register in that. If you register, we have a really sweet message popping out which say namaste. We take care of all the religion mythology of India in this, and try to modify it in the modern way by using some tech stack. So yeah, thank you so much for being so patiently listening. Thank you so much.